Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we've got a special video with Anna, Elsa, Twilight Sparkle and Rainbow Dash. They're gonna be wearing princess dresses for the first time ever. That's gonna be super exciting, huh? So let's start with Anna first. Anna is already looking cute in her dress, but we're gonna give you another dress, Anna. A very cute one. Maybe a pink one. Let's get started with you. Just some tape so that the Play-Doh doesn't mess up with her feet. Some Play-Doh on top. Some pink Play-Doh to make her skirt. So we are almost done with the first layer and we just need to do the same but many more layers to make her skirt look big, huh? That's it, and one more. Here we go. She's got that princess look. Time for her top. So just like this, just need to give the form. That's it. And she's almost ready. Some nice design on top. Time for glitter. Loads of glitter. She's so sparkling. And some more decorations to her dress. A flower. And loads of pearls. Actually, it's not pearl, but like loads of diamonds. Presenting you the gorgeous Princess Anna. She's looking so cute in her sparkling dress. I love this one. Do you like her, friends? Please let me know in the comment section below. She was just missing her crown. Here we go. Wow, such a pretty doll. She's looking so adorable. So cool. I love this pink dress. Time for you, Rainbow Dash. So I've just used the leftover Play-Doh to make a base for her. And she's gonna be wearing a yellow dress. Yellow goes very well with Rainbow Dash. What do you think, girls? She's already looking so pretty. Time for her top now. Because she already has her shirt inside, we're gonna try to cover that up. I couldn't get a doll with a removable dress, so I had to get this one. Time to make the dress look even more pretty with loads of these flowers and diamonds. Wow, she's looking gorgeous already. And some glitter. Rainbow Dash is looking so sparkling, so colorful, just like a princess. Wow! Do let me know if you like her in princess dress. Time for you, Elsa. Princess Elsa gonna be wearing blue today, her favorite color. Her top. And some diamonds. Done with that, some flowers and some more diamonds all around her top, all around her skirt, all around the dress. She's looking pretty already. Time for glitter. Our Princess Elsa is looking so cute. She's adorable in her blue sparkling dress. I love this dress so much. Such a pretty girl. Anna, Elsa, Rainbow Dash are all ready. Time for you, Twilight Sparkle. I'll just remove her skirt, some plater as a base, and she'll be wearing an orange princess dress. Done with that, time for her top. Our Twilight Sparkle is almost ready. She just needs some glitter, glitter, glitter. She's all ready and looking so pretty. Her purple hair, orange dress. She's so colorful, sparkling, so pretty, just like a princess. Do you like her, friends? Rainbow Dash, Twilight Sparkle, Elsa, Anna, they are all looking so pretty. I love them dressed. Blue, pink, yellow, orange, so colorful. Do let me know which one is your favorite, friends. My favorite is... I think Elsa. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun videos. And please leave me a comment below. Subscribe.